Hi Coveter, welcome to my kitchen. Some days are more relaxing than others because some days my whole family joins me in the kitchen and that is one of those days. You love to cook with me, right Z?
Yeah.
We just filmed my cooking show, which is going to be on YouTube. The link is in this vlog somewhere. Really easy recipes that will make you look like a chef.
Mommy, this will come on TV.
And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of my favorite dishes for entertaining, spinach and artichoke dip. Are you ready, Z?
Yeah!
All right. So what we're doing today, we have got, we've got a packet of Philly cream cheese.
I don't want to hold the...
We've got a cup of shredded mozzarella.
I don't want to touch the cream cheese.
Oh, you don't have to. We've got 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. We've got half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream. We've got 10 ounces of frozen spinach that's been drained, so it's not watery. We've got 2 cups of artichoke hearts that come from a jar. They're in olive oil. We've got 4 cloves of garlic. We've got truffle salt.
Tasty.
Truffle salt. And we've got some agave nectar. And we're gonna sprinkle the top with a little extra Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna throw all of our ingredients into a bowl. So let's move this stuff out of the way. So that's 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella. You might need a spoon for this. That is half a cup of mayonnaise. You want to get a spoon out of the...
Sticky. Oh,
yeah, let's add this. This is so easy and so great for entertaining guests. Half a cup of sour cream.
Yeah.
1 packet of cream cheese. There we go. Then we're gonna add 1 packet of frozen chopped spinach. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of artichoke hearts. Thanks for your help. Then we're gonna add, well, I've got to chop these up.
No, I can do it.
You're my real sous chef, huh? Wow, I'm impressed. Now we're gonna add a little bit of that, which is agave nectar. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. Now we're gonna stir this up. Let me get these plates out of the way for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our spinach and artichoke dip and we're gonna put it into our greased skillet. And we've got our oven going. It's on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna add one of my favorite ingredients, a little truffle salt. Then we are going to add a little pepper. Then we're gonna add, baby in hand, a little dusting of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna try mine with an endive because I eat so much unhealthy food. When I can get a healthy option that is just as good, why not? Yum, so good. Okay, and that's it for me. Mwah. Ciao.